Hi everyone, I am Arjen and this is Govend Istanbul studio. I will share here with you my studies, events. This time I will keep short the movie. In New Year we will be together again with new projects. Thanks everyone who attended our dance night. Dance was great. Everyone was great. It was a great season final. We had another great dance course and dance concert season together. I am very happy to know you and study Kurdish dance with you. And studying online has been a good experience for me as well. I also learned a lot from you. Thank you very much. I wish to everyone many years of peace and prosperity. This year is the 20th anniversary of my starting to dance professionally. It has been 20 years now. We have produced and staged many dance music productions in 20 years. We have trained hundreds of dancers, musicians, artists, teachers, instructors, researchers in 20 years of our Govend Kurdish dance studies, concerts, projects, productions, which we started in Istanbul and spread many parts of the world. We have been working on Govend Kurdish dance like an academy since 20 years. Now the students that we trained has students. My students are teachers now. My students are artists now. They are in everywhere in the world. You can see Govend Kurdish dance courses, events in anywhere in the world. It will be possible. It will be more. There will be more and more. Of course, we would do more if we had the opportunities. Now we are entering a new era. We want to open academies, cultural and art centers. We can continue to contribute to world peace and cycle development through international dance projects. My goals are lofty, my vision is wide. I want a world where there are no wars and everybody dancing in peace with their own identity, and I am working for this. I just invite everybody to dance. I say, let's dance. Everything will be fine. We are a very crowded team spread all over the world. We can do many things. We can do many things for world peace. We can do many things for a beautiful world. Just with dancing. Yep, we want to work with everyone. We want everyone's support. This year I will have events in many parts of the world. You can find more information about our studies, courses, concerts on our page, on our YouTube channel, wherever you are in the world. Follow our announcements and join us. For now, we can do just online classes until we open our academies, dance studios, cultural art centers. Because we had to close our studio due to the political and economical problems in here. We will also close this place soon. And until we open our academies, dance studios, cultural art centers, I will be with you digitally on the screens and with courses, concerts whenever possible. I would like to thanks to everyone who attended, supported and sponsored our events. I love you all. I congratulate you all. We are all living this beautiful Govend Kurdish dance revolution story together, which will take its place in the world's dance history. And for now, you can support us by watching our other videos in the channel. Subscribe, like, comment and share on your page. Share with your friends. See you at any time and anywhere in the world to dance together.